A1 too funny, you get me, 6'5".
A1 too funny.
Man's here today, you get me.
See, right,
Dating,
a lot of
gonna see how it
comedian
goes.
she's going on a date with on
man's
this
ready for
series.
this
A lot
still,
of
trust me, I
comedian.
came prepared. Nope, man's not nervous one bit. You get me? Confidence levels up here, rude boy. Man's ready. You get me? Yeah, let's get started, rude boy.
She look classy in this suit. This look like a substitute teacher type of suit. Not gonna lie.
You're right, yeah.
What's your name?
You know one of those substitute teachers that always come in and
Government
stay
name.
for like a month or whatever.
We're already escalating like that. That's crazy. Obviously, as we progress through the day, you can.
Oh, so you don't
learn
want to
that
tell me your
sort.
name?
Yeah, no, not just now.
Do
you wanna know my name?
Yeah, I asked you.
Cheyenne.
She's probably gonna say, look, cause she
lovely
like mature
still,
enough to
she's
just tell you her
sophisticated,
name
she's
straight up.
Very mature, you know what I mean? She's chilling still, I like her.
How do you know that
She's
she's mature? You just met her, bruh.
So, you know what I mean? Everything's going great, mate, you know what I mean?
Thank you. Not shy though.
What, as in like abbreviation?
Because I'm quite confident. Do you not think?
No, you are still, like you came with a suit and that, you're looking very, you know what I mean?
Pretty.
That's what I'm saying, bruh. She
you're
came
looking
in
nice,
like
actually.
a
We'll choose for that. You're
student,
not in a
like a
tracksuit.
That's what I'm
teacher's.
saying.
Like
See, I
most
studied. I studied, didn't it? The man them came in tracks, so I said, no.
Dude, oh, he actually watched the other series. Cause I'm wondering, how the hell did he know she's mature?
Oh my God, there's a guy that's not in a tracksuit. I feel like he needs to win. How tall are you?
6'5".
Ooh, shit.
Yes.
This dude
No,
is
I'm
tall
5'5".
as hell.
I feel like
Wow,
it's a good
that's a whole
height.
subway difference.
Yeah, a whole subway.
That's crazy. That's crazy.
So would you say you're like really funny?
6'5".
I wouldn't say I'm funny. I'd say I'm hilarious.
Make me laugh then.
Make you laugh. Wow, you put me on the spot there. Still,
So you're not funny then?
You can't just say like, "Hey, you make me laugh" and that. Like, you get you got to warm into it. You know what I mean?
He said he's funny. Why is he not making me laugh? What's like the wildest thing you've done?
Dude, Cheyenne
of what?
expressions are
Okay,
so
take it any way
funny,
you
man.
want.
Like the way she just do her funny, weird
What's actually?
facial
Wow,
expressions.
see, I knew it was coming still. See, I knew this one was coming and that. You see, I was bare sussing her out and that. You get me? She was bare trying to ask me about G-ins and them things there. So, you get, I just had to reverse and slow down. You get what I'm trying to say? But hey, so I'm saying she got to wait to the later dates if she wants to know more information. You get. Oh,
This dude is weird with it.
Nah,
with
what about you?
do a lot
You
of
answer the
gestures.
question.
What do I do for fun?
Yeah.
When you asked my question, I realised I'm not that fun. I'm quite a homebody. I like to chill, spend time with my friends.
But I'm betting that she
hang
wants
out
somebody
at home.
excited and fun. You know what? Always
Okay,
weird.
where you take
The,
it?
the, the,
You go to
the,
the Alps,
the
snowboard.
women
Would you
that
take a
are
date
always
somewhere
not that
like
fun.
Or are you just lying?
Always
No,
want
no,
someone
I'm
fun.
lying, I really
And
would.
they're themselves
So
are
where's
so
the best place to
freaking
take a
boring. Probably they want someone
I
that
was
have
in a relationship at
vibes to
Dubai,
substitute
but that wasn't really a
their
date.
boringness.
Nah, I was in a relationship. innit?
Yeah. So that's not that wild though. That's a holiday.
Nah, I know, but it's like,
What you done on the holiday?
yeah, you get. That's what I'm
What
trying
did
to
you do?
say.
I'm realizing that
Like, in
this
there
this
and that.
episode is longer than
Swam
at the
with
rest. This
dolphins.
is
That
30
was
minutes.
Crazy still.
No.
Why are you here today?
Do you know what? I'm just trying to find a nice guy.
Oh, so
You know, a serious guy that knows how to handle women.
you might have found the man you're looking for. Do you know what I
Reckon?
mean? Yeah.
Is that confidence?
Finger up.
Oh, that's confidence there.
Tell me more about yourself, though. I want to hear about you.
What would you want to know?
What's your type?
Do you know what? I hate that question because it sounds so like cliche, but my
Yeah.
type is actually funny. That's what I was like. maybe
Oh,
not.
wow.
Yeah, my
This
type
is like
is
the
funny.
funny man. It's like a
Happens to be
comedian.
my name. Oh, blimey.
Yeah, but you've actually got to be funny though.
Wow, that's crazy. No, as I said, as we progress up, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
Like, I'll expose more of my hilarious side. Right now, it's just a bit
Yeah.
reserved, you know what I mean?
I like substance as well. I feel like you can be funny and you can have the chat, but if you've got nothing to offer, then
Exactly.
it's a completely waste of time. Like you
Yeah.
need to have a brain, you know?
Exactly, that's true. And
So
funny,
she
like,
need
brainy, I would say,
funny,
actually.
Yeah.
Yeah, I've
but
done that kind of
substance.
thing, yeah.
You know
Before
what?
that
It is even
comedy,
funny because she said she like funny. So even if a guy come with funny, he's still not good enough. You have to come with brains. She should mention that then when she's saying that she like funny, she should actually put the other thing with it and don't mislead others because if she just said funny, whatever funny guy that don't got brains come, she's not gonna take him.
I want to be in like F1 and that.
Really?
Like Lewis Hamilton and all them things there, yeah. So
That's interesting. What would you say is the best thing you offer a woman?
security, affection, joy. What do you bring to the table?
I bring a lot actually.
Oh.
I think I bring a lot of compassion.
Yeah.
I love honesty because I feel like people miss that out. and I feel like
Compassion.
that's
You know what's
a big
weird?
thing.
All those things they're bringing to the table, like compassion, honesty. Isn't that what you should bring as a human being, as a good person? That's not like some
communication.
special attributes like
Yeah, so I'd say
like
they're
rare
the main things that I
diamonds
would
or
lead-
something?
Lead with, but I also just bring myself, and it's not as in like this city girl lifestyle where it's like I do this and I do that.
Thank you.
Like,
Nah, that,
you know,
I'm so happy you said that still.
don't look
Very
happy though.
No, I am, trust me.
Smile on the inside.
Yeah, I'm smiling on the inside.
What's a red flag for you?
What you just said actually, so kind of like city girl movements. Do you know what I
Yeah.
mean? Like immaturity.
Like, describe to me what a city girl is to you.
I would say a city girl.
fuck yeah,
it's
bag
just
of
like a
man,
girl that does
partying
anything
like
for money,
crazy,
that will,
taking
like-
drugs,
That's
all of
not
those
like, is that
bullshit.
not work ethic?
No, but I'm saying anything for money. Like, they don't want to work. Like they just want to go out, finesse, and sell them. So do you know what I mean? That's a city girl. Bring any girl around me, yeah, but just not a city girl.
No
man.
city
Don't
girl,
do all
man.
of this
That
flipping
weird city girl
working
thing
bags
that
and all of
Megan
nonsense.
Thee Stallion and all
you
those
lot
girls
can get
bring
that
up.
once.
So
Marriage
weird,
shit,
man.
You get me? Like marriage, all of that stuff. You get me? Not now, really, but you lot finesses.
They did it just to make money. I feel like they did that city girl stuff to really make money and sell their music and all those bullshit.
Thank you. So what's your
That was
thoughts
good
on
marketing strategy, I'm not
women
gonna
that do
lie.
have sex for money and stuff like that?
Well, that's their thing, innit? Like, no, I'm not bashing them, you get me? Like, you gotta make your bread and that, but that's your thing still.
Not rating it.
Nah, I don't
But
know,
like,
still.
do you
Is
rate
that-
hustle though?
Yeah, but there's a big difference between hustling and prostitution. For me personally, that's just yeah. You gotta just yeah. You get me? You're doing your thing, but I don't really. Do you know what I mean?
So
Yeah,
what's your
that's
thoughts
true,
on
bro.
the
I don't
double
really care
standards
about
in
what you're
society?
doing.
So, because you don't like the city girl lifestyle, but
Yeah.
you know, men like to glorify that they're trapping and stuff like that. What's your thoughts on that?
But that's what it's life, innit? But that's what I'm trying to say. Like, you see the actual city girls, like regardless of what they're doing, man rates like what they're doing as in the music side because they're just talking about what like they do on a day-to-day business, innit?
No, that's what I'm saying though. So like in
It's
comparison,
the same with trapping though, like, and all of them things there, and it's like you gotta do what you gotta do in the situation.
yes, you can't not rate one and then be like, oh, actually, it's fine. They're trappers. They're doing their thing. So what about a woman that has no other option but to do something like, but there's something wrong with that? Do you not think that's a double standard?
Oh my God, this lady, there's double standard for men and women. You know what's funny? I really hear men complain about the double standard that women got, but women, oh my God, they love to talk about the man double standard. Like, are they freaking delusional and not seeing that they got double standard too? Just don't complain about double standard because you guys got it too. Oh my God, I just hate this
Worse, I
question, but
think,
it's like,
as well, sometimes when it comes to the trap lifestyle, it can
don't
go
they want
bad,
that?
like,
Don't they
there's a
see
lot
that they
more
got double
lies for it.
standards too? It's just
That's why I
so
feel like if
crazy.
you're gonna have an attitude about one, then you need to have it for both, or
Okay.
just be completely like Zen lifestyle and not be bothered.
I said I don't rate what they like, the finesse and all of that, yeah. But regardless, it's still their thing, innit?
Yeah.
Same way that I rate the man then that's rapping about trapping, that's rapping about day-to-day life, even if it's bad and violent, once they skyrocket and they start to do their thing and that, I still rate it the same way.
What we're trying to eat. At
That's
the
what
end
I'm trying
of
to say,
the day.
you
We're
know,
trying to
we're
eat.
trying to eat like,
Do you
everybody's
eat?
got to eat. Huh?
What do you eat?
What do I eat?
She's trying to bring up the weird
I had
question
Caribbean.
there.
Remember when I told you I was gonna have Caribbean?
So do you eat meat?
Do I eat meat? Yeah, no homo.
What do you mean?
No, that just sounds a bit funny still.
What, do you eat meat?
No, like yeah,
You
the
mean
way,
meat?
no, cause like the way you're squinting at me and that you're very trying to like saying it in different type of context.
What? What context?
I
I missed what you said.
No, but yeah, I eat meat though, yeah.
Sexually?
Oh, I knew it, bro. He knew it was gonna come up in there, bro.
That get on one knee too.
He knew it was gonna come up, bro.
So have you done it before?
Yeah, I've done it before because I was
But
in a
you're
relationship.
not married, are you?
No, but I thought I was gonna be married to the woman, and I was very close to marrying her. Innit?
So you've only done it once in your life?
What are you talking about? As in one single time or with one person?
Yeah, one single time.
No, obviously I've done it more than one time, innit? But I was in a long-term relationship. But until now, the woman that man marries. Until the day that man
Well, at
marries
least he's admitting it, bro. Like,
that ring on and that, yeah, that's on it.
Why is it such an issue? Why does everyone get so mad at that question?
Nah, it's not even mad. It's just preference, isn't it? Like,
Yeah, but why does
for
everyone
me,
get
it's
triggered?
Huh?
Why does everyone get triggered by it?
Oh, I'm not triggered. I'm perfectly calm right now.
Really?
Yeah.
Perfectly calm.
I'm fantastic. You know what I mean? Obviously, she's asking man if man eats the
Probably
naan.
true, everybody else get crossed.
Wait till marriage. That's what I'm trying to say. These girls and that, they're all thinking all these man. What man's gonna be out here just yeah. Man eats pussy and that. No, gotta wait.
I feel like because
One
the Caribbean
I feel like
influence is
some-
so
I feel like
strong
men do,
in
like, they're like-
England,
taboo subject, like,
they
man,
always
talk about it.
trying to
It's like
taboo
culturally this and that, like, you know what I mean?
Caribbean
Like
culture.
pleasing your woman.
Yeah, exactly. But I ain't got my woman yet, so who am I pleasing?
But do you like your dick sucked?
Oh yeah.
Yeah, exactly. So you probably like yours, but to do it to a woman, it's an issue.
Yeah, but I'm not forcing no one to suck my dingaling. You get me? So if a girl says to me, yeah, oh, I'm not gonna suck your willy and that, yeah, because you're not gonna.
Willy?
I'll be like, cool. Like, I'm not
Chop and willy.
Yeah, then no one has sex. It's just a sexless marriage because we're both being petty.
Oh no, I'm not talking about marriage. I'm just talking about like right now, like if man was just out here and that. But I'm saying when it comes to marriage, oh yeah, obviously all the floodgates are open and that. You get me? But until then, no, that's something.
Damn, dude, this girl is a freak, bro. I can tell that she's probably like an ultra freak.
Do I look like I suck dick?
Yeah, you do still. Like, do you know, right now, yeah, like this is a compliment, by the way. You know, like one of them.
But
like,
that is not a compliment. Saying to someone, you look like you suck dick.
Let me land. I didn't even finish. Hold on. Like, what you look like right now is one of them like sexy like teacher porn stars and that. You know them ones there, and they're like. Oh,
that's what I'm
like,
saying, bro. I think she look like a substitute teacher.
That's fucked up. Wait. Hold on a minute. In what weird universe is it where saying to someone, you look like you suck dick is a compliment? I'm sorry, men, that is not a compliment. I don't like it when people watch porn. I find it so weird.
No, I don't watch porn though.
You just gave me a really great scenario.
I don't watch porn. Obviously I've watched porn in it, but I don't watch porn anymore. Like.
So that's why I'm supposed to take you saying I look like I suck dick as a compliment.
No, because it's just like right now, yeah, you look like one of them teachers. You know them ones.
So you could just say I look nice instead of.
No, but I already did. I
dick.
told you look aesthetically pleasing. But I'm just saying also, like, you look like one of them, like, in one of them role play things and that they like all them, you know what I mean? Teachers and that. Where's your homework? Oh my God, how are you gonna pay me? Like all them things.
Man, she's playing, bro. She know what the dudes mean, bro.
Is it, do women come on the table? Is it like, yeah,
not
get the
just any old women,
girls?
not some any old women, like selective women and that.
Yeah.
Like I'd let you on my table, 100 million %.
That's nice.
Yeah. Would you let me on your table?
Don't know.
No, I'm joking. I don't approach people's tables like that.
Do you not? Yeah, when it comes to doing that.
I was just testing you. But it's nice to know. Wait, what did you say? You say yes or no?
That's I don't know yet. I'm like, if I'm out with the girls, I'm out with the girls. No one's coming on our table.
Ah.
Yeah, I'm that friend that will cock block everyone because
wow.
we're not here trying to get man tonight. You know?
Wow. So you just dare to shake bunda, have a great time?
Yeah, I don't really shake
She's
my
trying
ass
to cut
enough.
black.
Why not?
Because I just don't like that kind of attention.
I rate that.
Dude, I just
Women
got
like to have sex.
the way she's actually talking. I wonder if she's really like this, man. Like
actually,
sometimes some of these girls
young,
love to act like they're
I
so
look
hyped typey, and then they're the ones taking all the willies, bro. Like crazy.
So obviously when I was mad young, once I lied about my age and that to hear, you know what I mean? So
How old was the female?
26,
Ooh,
18.
How old did you say you was?
26,
I
18.
was
Well,
like,
he's
I was like,
at age,
I
so
rounded it up to the nearest decimal point. So I said I was like 25, something like that.
How the hell can you go?
probably
like
he
18
was
to
tall.
25?
Probably
Like,
was tall,
you get me,
same
like,
way.
I was tall, this and that. You
That's
know?
what I'm saying.
You
He's
have
tall,
enough
bro.
maturity to like draw a woman.
Yeah, I know, but that's what I'm saying. Would you not say I'm mature?
So was you successful?
Oh, yeah, obviously, yeah.
Have you
I
ever
don't-
cheated?
Never in my life.
Never
I've
cheated?
Never. I've been cheated on, but I never cheated. Peeps, don't, but...
Yeah, that's a bit shit with Mandem. Are you rated or not? Or are you that friend that's like got to do the shop run? Just curious.
I've never run the shots for nobody still. Yeah, I'd say I'm rated still.
He definitely thinks he's the man.
I don't...
Yo, shut up, these like
my guys and that, you know what
with their cheeky ass answers,
I mean?
bro.
No ego. All of my team got to win, do you know what I mean?
Like that.
Like, if we're all walking together down the street, like, a stranger shouldn't be able to tell, oh, this is the boss or this is the guy.
Yeah.
Do you get? We should all look like the guy, no matter if one's famous, one ain't famous, one's got this. You get what I mean?
Yeah,
We all
Power
gotta-
Rangers coming through.
That's what I mean.
She's the Power Rangers. Oh my god.
Generational wealth.
Hey, Ron, would you say you're emotionally available?
What do you mean emotionally available?
Firstly, are you in tune with your emotions? Are you a good communicator of how you feel, or do you bottle it up?
Oh my
I'd like to
god.
say I am, but I don't know.
This woman
Sometimes I
always
feel
wants some
something.
soft ass
Yeah,
dude
but
like,
that's the
oh
problem,
baby, I'm
like,
crying in your
I think-
I need you
arms.
to solve my problem.
Oh, you need
though.
me?
Yeah, that's what I'm trying to say.
Am I your mum?
Whoa.
That's what I'm saying, bro. See it? They
Yo,
always talking about they
blimey,
want the
mate.
soft man, and as soon as
Do they?
as soon as you get soft, bro, their feelings gonna change for you. I've seen it happen many times to a lot of people, and I'm saying, dude, it's better if you just stay reserved, not really reserved, stay based, and don't listen to anything that she's saying, because as soon as you falter, she's done, bro. Dry like a
yeah,
desert.
100
Hey,
million %,
why?
yeah. You can't go and wife one girl that's got bare unnecessarily like high ass mileage and that. Nah.
What's like mad body count? And why? I don't get why it's an issue.
Nah, it's an issue, fam. It's definitely an issue. Like you can't What, so you telling me that man's gonna go wife one girl that's got like, that's beat over like 500 man and that? No.
Yeah, but
Bare soul
what
ties.
if you had sex with like 500 women?
That's a stretch. I'll never have sex with 500 women.
Okay, as long as you keep the standard for yourself, then
Yeah, obviously.
it's not an issue.
Energy sharing and all that, that's real. Like, I don't know, that's dead.
You drop the energy.
Well, the thing that they say with the females and the men, women,
Extra point. Oh,
Yeah,
wow.
I can never
most
energy
women,
exchange.
listen, generalization here, most females not gonna just give up their thing without emotion. Men can just do it without emotion. So that's the total difference.
can see your
That's why I said the
dynamic
soul
changing.
bonding for a woman is more stronger than men.
Alright.
Men soul bond too, yes, but it's more stronger for women because the emotional side is
Are
stronger.
you though?
Yeah, I am, 100%.
What's family time to you?
Spending time with them, spending time with my brother, mum, dad, you know what I mean, go get something to eat and that, take my brother out, go cinema or something, you know what I mean? I'm the older sibling, so.
Okay, so you got the responsibility.
Yeah,
Do you want
yeah.
kids? How many kids do you want?
I only want one child.
You want one child?
Yeah.
Why?
Because basically, yeah, because I'm the older sibling, yeah, like, and my brother's, what, how old is this guy again? 12.
Did you just say you're a family man and you don't know how old your brother is?
No, I always like... No, it's always bare confusing and that, do you know what I mean? Because look, like, he's 12 years old and he's nearly 6 foot, with size 9 feet.
They're growing.
Exactly, so it's kind of hard. Sometimes I think he's older than man. He's got a little bit of like special needs, innit? You know what I mean?
He's 6 foot at
I
12.
basically had to be like a parent.
Holy
the first
shit.
Parent, from the day he was born, innit? So I've had to.
That's
be very mature
crazy.
and, like, wipe his ass and that, burp him and that. So I already feel like I've had a youth. Do you know what I mean? So it's like I need to enjoy my life and then.
So you ready? So what, you're gonna have like hot boy summer? You want to enjoy
that's
life?
Definitely not what I said. Oh, but actually, why am I capping, boy? No, I'm having a hot boy summer, boy. No, yeah, I'm out here, boy. When I say
What's
I'm out
here?
here,
So
yeah, okay. Let me define.
you were
out
doing
here.
really well until then.
No, but when I say out here, I don't mean like that. Doesn't have to mean me going and just whacking bare BBL youths. I mean flying out, going LA, going Cyprus, this and that, enjoying my life. Do you know what I mean? Like
What's your body count?
my body count. Whoa, reverse. Fam, you think I'm telling any girl on the first date my body count, boy?
That's what I'm saying, and she's not gonna tell you hers. Don't tell her
Just
shit,
a
man.
lot.
No, it's not a lot. It's just if you
lot.
want to know that, that's for the second date. You get me?
Yeah, no one to
That's a yes
dodge that
and no.
Yeah.
question.
Same.
Obviously, let's say like you was in a relationship and that, yeah, and then there's one girl that's just burning up her backs and that, all her like nanny creases right up in your face and that, and man's liking that. Obviously, that's, you get me, that's you're out of boundaries. But if it's like your brethren and it's like the picture isn't mad, like indecent exposure, and it's just like you're supporting their thing, yeah, it's calm. Do you know what I mean?
If I'm with a guy and then he's liking a woman's OnlyFans, like a picture,
Yeah.
then you're gonna just go,
Wow,
"Oh, I'm supporting her OnlyFans, innit? Like,
Nah, but that's a stretch. That's what I mean. That's out of line. Like,
Oh,
why
it
would
is
you
out
need
of
to-
line.
Why would you need to like her OnlyFans?
do you subscribe to anyone on OnlyFans?
No. Rate my thing, bruv. Bruv, do I even know? I've never even been on that website, man. I find that's weird. That's for them and their subscriptions and that.
Like, have you ever done anything that's toxic?
Yeah, that's
Have
kind
you
of
ever
weird,
been-
though.
okay, cool, like,
Dude,
when I was
I never
younger,
got.
like, yeah.
I never get the old OnlyFans thing, bro. That's just weird as shit. Why would they pay for pictures? That's weird, bro. Dude, I don't know what it is, but I know what it is, but that's weird to me. Why people would actually pay for that? That's strange.
Man's like caught brain and that, or like done my thing and that, and then just boom, like just
So you're selfish.
S out. No, I'm not selfish because I don't do that often. That was when I was young.
So
Like,
you're mature now, you're grown.
yeah, like.
Don't
you
get
know what I mean?
blowjobs.
Oh,
Ooh.
well,
So you get a blowjob and bounce.
nah.
Old days.
That was old days, yeah.
No one ever takes accountability for their shit. Like, I will hold
Big
myself
facts.
accountable. And it's been like, I don't like the crazy psycho girl label because I feel like too many people glamorize that. But
You,
Genuinely.
madam, are so well mannered and behaved. I love that. I love
Dude,
the mindset. Is amazing. No, I can't lie. The mindset is making sense. Still, she's got morals. She's got a business mindset.
Dude, she can
very
only just
mature,
talk, bruh.
She's sensible.
Seeing what
Like,
somebody's,
everything's making
hearing what
sense, I
somebody's
don't even
saying
lie, like, that's one good
and-
thing I can definitely say.
on
Like,
a date, more than
Yeah,
just being
yeah.
around them, you
No
can
one's
actually
just
tell
like
if
for
they're
no reason. Do you have a
bullshitting.
psycho ex?
So she can't hear anything right now.
yeah.
You don't really know if she's lying or what.
Like, would she come for me if I dated you?
Oh, yeah, actually, you know what's mad? Yeah.
She's psycho. What did you do to make her psycho?
Nothing, bruv. She just
sure?
tapped.
Listen, there's no such thing as a crazy ex without you taking accountability. He's definitely done something to make her crazy.
Yeah, like it's just tapped for no reason.
I don't know. This Gerard was just saying about the whole accountability thing.
No.
No one's tapped for no reason.
No, but it's not even man. It's like there's been things that like.
So have you done things to get her to this point where she's now moving mad?
No, like it's things she's been through, or like, do you know what I mean?
Trauma.
Or, yeah, do you get it? Like I don't have time for that. Do you know what I mean? I'm too genuine. Like, and I just want to treat my missus good. Do you know what I mean? Bake off and that. Being Bora and that, you get me?
Yeah.
Pina coladas and that, you get me? Like, I'm just chill, I just want to have a good life. I don't really have time to be a dickhead, you know what I mean?
This is cool. This guy is chill though, bro.
Yeah.
He's chill. I think he's
Every relationship I've been.
the chillest one I've seen so far.
What's like
Well,
them,
except for
lads group
the
chat like?
I forgot the
Oh, the
guy.
lads
That
group
move
chat.
mad.
Clarence looking guy. That guy was boring as hell.
Group
So I'm saying this guy's
funny.
Can I
like
see it?
chill and other vibes.
Oh. The GC is mododo.
Would you let me see it?
To be honest, man can back it out right now. They probably
No, but
wouldn't
you've
even-
got, there's the one savage chat and then there's always one calm one.
Yeah, see, look like. It's
No,
nothing.
do the,
The what?
Joe, where you can see everything.
Like, look.
No, but Joe, where you can
whoops.
see like,
Sorry, no.
Give me that. no names.
Okay, look, just read that, innit? I don't think that's that bad. What? What does it say? You should go on, read it out.
Bro, the last thing I linked was giving me head while messaging her man, multitasking at its finest.
Oh, damn.
This is guilty by association now, you know? Like, yeah.
Oh,
That's
his
kind of
friend
bad still. When she was
texted.
reading the message, I blatantly didn't even read it, but I just said, yeah. I was thinking, yeah, she can just read that. It's all seeing brain
But-
and that, head and
Dude,
that.
this is old.
Man's and
man,
yeah,
normally talk
that's
with
too
them,
long
bro.
read, boy. Did G check him about that though, still?
I don't see
imagine
it.
if you was the man.
Where's
of
the
that.
G check here?
No,
I see it low.
By who, me? That's
No.
definitely not me. I didn't even say low. Yeah, no.
No, you didn't.
Like, imagine you was that guy, innit?
Your friends are moving mad though.
Yeah, I know.
So is she.
That's-
So what did you say to your friend then?
I was like, bro, like you got other hoes in that, man. Go deal with them and that. You know
What? Firstly, you can't call women hoes.
No. I'm not calling women hoes. I'm calling the hoes hoes.
No, but what's a hoe?
A hoe is a female that sleeps around with several men simultaneously and finesses. It kind of ties into being a
But it's
city
her
girl.
body, her choice, but then men can do it.
Yeah, I know.
Is
but
your friend a
men's-
hoe? Is
yeah,
your
he
male
is.
friend a hoe?
Yeah, he is.
If your friends are like that,
Yeah.
the apple doesn't fall far from the tree.
He can do that because he's got more time on his hands than I do. Like, I genuinely don't have the time to be doing all of them things there. Like, that's long. And I always think about, like what I just said, imagine if you was the guy in that. That's just a long day for you,
Yeah.
boy. Do you know what I mean? It's
So you
like-
said that to him.
Yeah, I said that to him. And I even G-checked the gal as well, fam. I was like, blood, ain't you got a man, fam? He said, nah, it's all complicated in that.
Yeah,
Hey,
it's dickhead move still.
there you go. No.
Yo, it know how to get himself out of
1,000,000%.
talking.
Yeah.
And I think he's
Absolutely.
actually not
bang
lying.
on.
Because men say a lot about that, but then if you look at all the girls they like on Instagram,
Mm.
they are the Instagram models.
That was a generic statement. Secondly, from Instagram alone,
Hey, you
of
can't really
course,
just
you know,
make
Instagram
up with
being
the
an
editing
algorithm that has
and
its
the
algorithm
makeup
for
and all
those
the bullshit.
women with
You can
video
like the
and
picture,
the
yes,
perfect
but
figures
in
and all
real
that.
life, it's a different
Thirdly,
situation.
you can't tell somebody's personality from Instagram. So that's why men is just gonna be like, oh what? Big backs, double tap that. Big boobs, double tap that. You get me? So
Is that how you move?
nope.
You sure?
Yeah, you
You
bro,
said that quite confidently.
the reason why I don't like up bare people's and especially gals' photo, yeah, because everybody else can see that you liked it. That's embarrassing. Like, do you know what I mean? Like, I've got standards, boy. You got, obviously, personality is number one. You got to have a great personality, good morals.
And
family
looks,
person,
bro. Listen, the
mature.
personality is good, yes, but
Business
at
mindset.
least look,
And
at least normal. I would
you
say
got-
normal looking.
Appearance-wise now, so you just got to have
That's what I like. I
pretty
like
face,
normal
slim
looking.
waist,
Not
and a
too
big
much, not
backs.
too.
It's hard to find
Just
just
not nice
normal
to look at.
people that have normal morals and just, do you know what I mean? Because
Yeah.
everyone's done at it.
Everyone's
You get it?
moving mad.
Exactly. That's what I'm trying to say. So, what's your preference, though?
Personality.
Personality?
Because you want to grow old with them.
Exactly, because the looks are gonna fade away.
Yeah.
You know what I mean, that's why I always say like.
But you know what?
Like, oh,
Men
you
looks
know, man,
mostly
it's like,
stay
bro,
longer
like,
than
the
female
thing
looks.
is
And that's
that,
true,
bro.
bro.
Bro, there's
Everybody knows
different
it.
personalities,
Yeah.
You get it, so it don't matter. Like I don't care about penguins no more. Like I really don't. The personality's got to be. It's got to be A1. Do you know what I mean?
This guy is cool. Bro. I feel like he's gonna actually
What's
get
your
a good
toxic
score.
trait?
What do you mean, like elaborate?
I would say your toxic trait is not letting people in. Because you're quite guarded from your
But-
past experiences.
I wouldn't say that's toxic. I would say that's just like like a protection, like sort of barrier. Do you know what I mean?
Yeah.
Not that the barrier ain't gonna come up, but it's just me sussing you out first, understanding how you think your mind.
Yeah, you have to.
your
You can't
morals,
just be
then
mad and running out to the
you can
streets
proceed.
like
Man's
with
not
no
just gonna be like,
bulletproof vest.
Yeah, you got
That's
backs and
crazy,
that.
man.
Come into my order, then boom, you just come and mess up the Rascalatius. Nah, that's not happening.
You can only protect yourself for so long, I get it, but there's times where you could just be so in your PTSD, like you're gonna miss out on so many opportunities with your life.
That's
you know.
true. But I wouldn't say I'm like mad into my PTSD.
Hello.
I'm still very
I'm gonna be
relaxed
honest.
and chill, like,
I
I'm
don't
not
think.
you know what I mean?
Right.
I don't know.
when you're saying
I'm
that,
not
for
getting
example, like if you've had someone cheat on your past,
like a romantic
then
vibes
your
from them.
attitude with me,
It's
if
like
I'm going out
when
and
you're
wearing
watching two
something
persons, it's like you
skimpy
can
or,
sense the
you know,
romantic
skin
vibe
like,
or the
that's
attraction.
you
I'm
might
not really
start feeling a bit
sensing the
like-
attraction.
Nah.
I'm thinking like it could be like a
you can
friend
look as
type
peng or
situation.
whatever you want. As long as
That's
it's
just what
not
I'm
mean.
thinking. That
But
looking
what
at
if,
this
I
and
was
looking
just
at her
saying, I went
facial
out with the
expressions.
girls.
Good. I trust you, innit? Like, are you talking about relationship? If it was a
Yeah,
relationship?
like in general.
I trust you, innit? It's calm.
Okay.
Yeah. Like, you represent man, I represent you. If you're going out looking peng, damn right. You get me,
Yeah,
right? Yeah, it's calm. Obviously, as long as you're not entertaining man them wherever you're going and that's going to come up to you, because you know man, I'm going to be like, hey, yo, missing that caramel sundae. You get me? But as long as you're doing your thing, have fun and that, you get me?
I wonder why that would do the weird voice thing. Is that like his comedy
So you
skit
got
or
big dick
something?
energy.
Yeah, you can say that stuff.
Big dick as well.
Yeah, I've got size
Sick.
13 feet, so
This means
that
you've got
should
big
tell you
feet.
something. Yeah, but obviously, you know the.
The what?
Yeah, you get me? I'm a nice boy as well, so let me just throw that in.
What would you do if I have slept with two of your friends in the past?
Oh, no.
You're gonna me.
Nope.
No.
It's not happening, bro.
No.
It's just not happening.
No.
You've
Must
already
be
been
mad.
touched by my brothers. My brothers.
Yeah, that's weird, man.
It's not happening, bro.
That's weird as hell.
Really?
Nope.
Why?
Because you slept with two, my brethren.
But what if we're really in love?
In love. We're
Yeah.
out of love. Two. Not one, not two, but 1,000. Nah.
They're gonna be number 3.
Huh? Me, number 3. Yeah, love. Nah, it's not happening.
What would you do if I didn't want to sleep with you for the first 6 months of our relationship?
6 months? You must be mad. Dude,
Why would
let's be real. 6 months, it either she is not attracted to you or a next dude that she's attracted to is digging out the guts. Let's be real, man. Let's be
you want to see
real.
me for the first 6 months?
Like you
That's
said,
mad.
it's like a big commitment.
I never yet been through that situation, bro. Like,
Firstly, energy
never.
exchange as well.
Yeah.
And I really pride myself with who I am as a person.
Because if someone is,
So I would
listen,
feel disrespected
whoa,
if I
if
slept
they're-
with you at so easy in the sense
if they're
that
adults and someone is
it's just-
attracted to
I'm a
you,
big deal to me.
Yeah.
why should they
So
wait
why should
that
I give you
long?
myself
Like,
so freely?
That's actually,
You know.
in fact, man actually agrees with that. So
and
I
what
can't
people must understand, this whole situation is just an exchange. You're giving up something, I'm giving up something. But sometimes people just take their thing like a treasure, like that gold mine or something. And we, the other gender, make it that way because we're acting so thirsty for it. But it's like
I'm not even
supply
gonna
and
stunt
demand,
because
same
it's
type
true,
of
like,
situation.
Man needs to smash, boy. What? 6 months? Boy, oh boy. Blood, let me just hydrate myself.
Oh, it was the
Oh.
6
And
months,
as well,
blood.
like when you're dating someone, like it takes a while before you've an exclusive. So I'd rather
Exclusive?
just make the
For
decision,
what?
take the time.
Must
before
be
we, like,
mad.
Realizing like actually he's a nice guy. I will sleep with him or whatever because I think you could be dating multiple women and be having sex with them. Like energy exchanges things. So you're going to sleep with her on Monday, sleep with me on Tuesday or whatever. Like, are you
Yeah.
Craig David? No.
I date to marry, innit? I don't just date to
Yeah.
Wait,
I
Craig
don't
David,
think
with that?
There you go.
I've
That's
never heard that
another
name
one.
before.
Trust me.
The vibe's there. So I'm not saying I'm a complete angel, but
Yeah.
with my intention when I'm
That's what
dating,
I'm saying. You're not
it's marriage.
freaking doing it.
Exactly.
I'm not
Bear man just be
taking
dating for
Shannon-
no reason,
Shan-
like,
what's her
just
name?
allowing
Shannon?
bare people to say, yeah,
lightly
Yeah.
because
this girl and he's my ex and nah, it's dead.
I'm not
What would you
taking
do
it
if I
lightly, bro.
wanted to involve other people in our sex life? You know, swinging, threesomes.
I want to put this out there. Man's never had a threesome.
Would you want
it's
one or
like,
not?
Definitely. See, no, man's on that still.
Yeah. Why would you like one?
Because it's like, why not? Like,
It's just like a
man's never done
fantasy,
it,
bro.
so
Like
it's
a fantasy.
Yeah. Two gal and that.
Dude, I'm gonna be. I've been through it. I think two different times. So I know the situation. So yeah,
I mean, meet in the middle, ended up on that little, you know what I mean?
but it's exhausting
Say
though. I'm
meet
not gonna lie.
in the middle,
You
meet in the
need a lot of energy.
say that?
For that
I said,
situation.
the
Lot of
lyric, what's
energy,
it,
bro. Fueled up.
In the middle, into the like little. Whose song is that again?
There we go.
Yeah, that's
What
it.
do you make you feel like the man?
Yeah,
man?
yeah, it made me feel like
Yeah.
accomplished. Like, yeah, man's had a threesome and that. I want to see like,
It's not a accomplishment though.
yeah, but it would just make me feel like, yeah.
It is a
just one of them
pinnacle
things.
for men. Shannon, you're a female. Relax. As a man, it's like a pinnacle of achievement in certain situation. You're not a man, bro.
As a
He's
guy,
talking about a
you
man.
want to just experience, innit? Like, you know what I mean?
If someone cheated, would you ever take them back?
No.
Well, I did.
not
So
doing that, sorry.
I know. Listen, I did, and the other person did too. So we are both the same situation. So yeah, but me as a person, no, I wouldn't do it. No, but back then I did, but not.
I a dickhead, blood. That's a mad
Never.
thing.
But what if it was like we were
No.
going in 10
No.
years of a marriage
No.
and no?
No,
Really?
no.
But you don't think sometimes marriage could be like there's a compromise where you think, "Do you know what, done up partnership like Jay-Z and Beyonce?
Like, you can help me find the tosses that I give it. No.
Really?
No, I don't care.
This man said
Can
you
you
can help me
practice?
Man
find the
like strong
tosses that I
casting,
give.
man.
I don't give a
That's what
fuck. Basically, I
Oh,
do. I don't give a fuck,
No, we
bro.
can go gym and that.
I
Build
don't
up-
care about that, bro.
But yeah, I like cast that. You see when you see what you're wearing heels now, yeah? And then like the girls are walking and that, yeah? And then the calves are
What's
just
that impression of a woman?
no, like just walk the strutting and that, yeah. And the calves are bare just doing like it's just do you know what I mean?
This nigga is funny, bro.
Who's been your best date?
Oh, it's difficult. 'Cause I kind of feel
Ooh.
like each date gave me something different.
That was a very political answer.
Yeah, that's true, bro.
It's-
That's
it's
true.
between two people.
Yo, I'm glad he caught it.
Chris, because he gave me the substance, but then so did Ty.
Okay, so it's between
Yeah.
them two.
Yeah.
And what? How do I compare?
Wait there, Chris. Chris is number. Wait, who's Chris again? Number 1. And Ty was number 5, I think. Damn, so number 1 and number
Yeah, you're
5.
doing alright.
I'm doing alright.
Yeah.
Nah,
Because you know what it is? Man's
listen. I said it before. These vibes give me like a friendship type of vibes. They could be like a friendship. I don't sense they
man's not giving you the
Romance
whole package
feeling.
yet because I'll save that for the next day.
What do you think I'm going to rate you out of 10 today?
I like to see like
dude. Just give,
strong 8.6 reoccurring.
Doing alright?
dude.
What's the
He
verdict?
should have said
Oh,
Oh, you're
7.
not gonna tell me?
No.
Or you're gonna save that for the next day as well?
Yeah.
Wow.
Oh, next
He-
date, yeah.
Okay.
Dude, no, she's not feeling you,
Don't
bro.
look
I don't
very
feel like
well,
she's
not
feeling you,
gonna
bro.
lie. Good.
You know what, mate? I think the date was
I wonder
fantastic.
how much he's gonna get. I
you
feel
know
like
what
he's gonna get probably like a
got
8
good
or
gist
7
of her,
point
you know what
something.
I mean, got a good mindset on her. Got a good pair of brain cells.
Mate, he ticks a lot of boxes, and he was like, what, 6'5"?
Yeah.
Yeah, the height. Well,
Yeah,
dude, the
I
height
think
automatically
I'm gonna
give
see
him a
him again.
high ass
Looking
grade.
forward to the second date.
The
not gonna lie
height
to ya.
gave this
He
dude
dressed well.
a high
He was
mark.
tall, he had good chat, he had a very good balance. However, he didn't make me laugh as much as I wanted.
I'd say she give me an 8.6 reoccurring, but you know what I mean, let's give or take like 0.7 of a decimal, so you know, above or below, but yeah, that should be calm still.
He thinks he's going to get an 8.6. Don't know about that one.
Obviously, if you don't like man now, then
Dude,
you
this
get
is
me,
funny.
then it's just burn that girl, you get me, Ruben. Man's got bare gal in the rascal anyway, yeah?
Dude,
You
what
get
with
me?
that? What with that weird
I'm
Bounty
not even
Killer
trying to say
voice
mind
acting?
games. I think I'm going to give him an 8.5.
Oh, damn, 8.5. Dude, I feel like the height